Hey there, today we are going to go through the Build a Discount Approval Process project. You can find it through trailhead.salesforce.com. It's about making it easy for your sales rep to get the approvals they need for discount offers. The whole project is going to take 50 minutes if we can trust the time estimate here. Let's get started with the first step. Prepare your org. Sales reps' daily lives are full of yeses and nos, and just from potential clients. There are some things that simply require in-house managerial approval, such as discount requests, which we tackle in this project. As an admin, you can make the whole thumbs up, thumbs down situation easier for all involved by setting up an approval process. An approval process is an automated process implemented to approve records in Salesforce. It specifies the steps necessary for approval and allows a step to apply to all records or just records to have certain attributes. An automated process also specifies who does the approving at each step and the actions to take when a record is approved, rejected, or recalled. For this project, you create an automated approval process for AW Computing's new VP of North America Sales, Alison Wheeler. She's requested an automated system for processing discount requests from her reps using these parameters. If a discount is requested for 15% or less, it's automatically approved. If a discount is requested for more than 15%, it must be approved by a manager in the sales department. For US reps, that's Courtney Brown. If a discount is requested for more than 40%, it also must be approved by Alison. So again, 15% or less, it's automatically approved. 15% or more, the manager in the sales department, and if the discount is 40% or more, it needs to be approved by the VP. So before you set up this approval process for Alison, a bit of prep is required to ensure your org has everything in place to let you meet her specifications. So pop on your awesome admin hat and let's get rolling. Add a new user. Prior to setting up process automation, first set up Alison Wheeler with the record user so you can assign tasks to her later. From setup, enter users in the quick find box and select users. So let's open this really quick. I already created a new playground for this because I had some issues in the past going through another discount approval process where things didn't work out quite as expected. I presume because there were some permissions or something that were wrong. I could never figure it out. So let's get started here. So we are going to create the user account for Alison here. First name Alison, last name Wheeler. Alias, automated email. You're not going to activate it, so oh Jesus, the username it's quite tricky. So first initial AW. First initial would be A plus I don't know, day to day, let's make it it's quite complicated. I hope I got it right. I don't know if that's going to be checked later. Yes, looks like it's yeah, hope I got it right. Okay, so we are not actually going to put the plus here, so we put it like this. Vice President North America Sales. User license, Salesforce platform. VP North America Sales. Uncheck, generate new password. Create a role. One of the first projects. I thought we had to create second user, but apparently the role firstly. Okay. One of the first project Alison takes on is some restructuring of AW Computing sales department. She is adding a sales manager who will serve as the official discount approver. Add that role to the hierarchy, reporting to her. Alison has hired Courtney Brown to fill the manager role. Add Courtney as a user with the newly created role of manager so you can assign tasks to her later. So let's create Courtney here. First name Courtney. Last name Brown. Oh, there's a new role I just created. Company. Okay, you're reporting to Courtney, so make sure that you make her your manager. From setup, enter user in the quick find box and select users. Click edit next to your name. Approver settings next to manager. And click save. Add custom fields. Before you create an approval process, you first add a few custom fields to your org. Custom fields let your sales team capture unique business information, such as the discount percentage and approval status fields you add in this step. You can add custom fields for each of the tabs and objects your organization uses, with a limit of 800 fields. Note, a custom field name and label must be unique for that object to avoid merge and display issues. For example, if you create a field label called email and a standard field labeled email already exists, the merge field may be unable to distinguish between them. Adding a character or qualifier to the custom field name makes it unique. For example, email to or email leads. First, create the discount percentage field. From setup, click Object Manager tab and click Opportunity, then Field Relationships. First, create the discount percentage field. From setup, click the Object Manager tab, click Opportunity, then Fields and Relationships. think we are already there. At the top of the Fields and Relationship section, click New. Select the Number Radio button and click Next. Complete the new field details, discount percentage, lunch 2. This applies as 2. Field name, auto-populates, and click Next. In the read-only column header, select the checkbox. In the read-only column, deselect standard user and system administrator. Click Save and Continue. While still in the Field and Relationship page for the opportunity, create an approval field. Select the Pickless Radio button and click Next. Field label approval status. Show restricted pick list to the values defined in the value sect is selected. Yes, it is. Click Next and set the field level security in the read-only column and so on. Okay, let's click Next firstly. So basically it's read-only except for the standard user and the system administrator. Then we click Next and we save it. Create a folder in email templates. Next you set up 2 email templates, one to use when alerting requesters that the discount is approved, and one to use when alerting requesters that the discount is rejected. But first create a folder to house your new templates. From setup, enter classic email templates in the quick find box. Click Create New Folder. Select this folder is accessible by all users with a radio button. And save. Now create the necessary templates. First, set up a discount approved email template. From setup, enter classic email templates. These are still here. Select classic email templates, new template. Select text radio button. Fill in these details. Field type, opportunity fields. Oh, there we go. Discount, request response. Available for use. Select email template name, discount approved. Subject. Click save. Available merge fields. Okay, it's a screenshot of what we just did. Next, set up a discount rejected email template. Creating a new template here, again in the same folder. Opportunity fields. And then we save it. Now that you have got the prep work done, you're ready to create and approve a process. So what did we do here? We created the users, Alison and Courtney, and we gave them roles. We added custom fields, discount percentage field for the opportunity. That's read only for everyone but standard user and system admin. And an approval status field was a pick list of pending, approved, not approved. And then we created the email templates. So let's verify this. Everything has been done correctly. And the assessment is complete. Let's tackle the next step.